Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. Today's recipe is Goong Ob Woonsen or prawns in a clay pot. It's called prawn in a clay pot because it's normally cooked and served in a clay pot. But today I don't have a clay pot. I'm going to show you how to cook it in the wok. This dish is very popular in Thailand. Whenever we go out, we always order this one. So it's pretty special. Kids also love this dish because of the noodles and the prawns mixed together. Let's see the ingredients together. First, I have silver noodles, or it's called vermicelli bean thread. These noodles is made from mung beans, so it's very healthy. Normally, it's come in a dry pack like this. All I did is soak it in a tap water for 10 minutes. Here you go. This one is already prepped. Second, green onion. This one is Chinese celery. If you cannot find this one, you can use the regular celery. This is all the spice, garlic, peppercorn or whole black pepper, and cilantro stem. In Thailand, we use the cilantro root, but we cannot find it here, so the stem, it works as well. In Thailand, we will put all of this together in the mortar and pestle, and we smash it first. But over here, not everybody have this one, so instead I slice it thin. This way you can get the flavor out as well. Next, I have sliced ginger. I myself love to eat ginger, so I make it very fine like this as well, so when I can eat it with the noodles. Next, black sweet soy sauce, regular soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, chicken broth, ground black pepper, cooking oil, sugar, and the key of this dish is prawns. You can use peeled or unpeeled prawns. I myself love prawns with shell and head on because you will get more flavor of the prawns out for this dish. Let me show you how to prepare prawns. I'd like to show you how to prepare prawns. So this one is the one that I already prepared. I butterfly it and get the vein out, and I also cut the front because that is the choppy point over here. Let me show you how. This is the regular prawns. See the choppy point? So what we're gonna do is we're going to cut the chop point over here and also the eyes out. We don't like to see the eyes much. It looks scary. And next, we're gonna cut it from the top down like this. This is the safe way to take care of the prawns. Next, you will use a knife to butterfly it. And see the vein is come out already. Here you go. Our prawns is clean and ready to be cooked. If you have a mortar and pestle at home, I would like to show you how to do it traditionally way. So we're gonna put the peppercorn in there and smash it first. For this one, we don't want to do it too fine, just rough. If you have kids, you may skip this one because it's gonna be too spicy for the kids. So you smash it a little bit just to break it, and then you put the garlic in there. And then cilantro root or cilantro stem. That's how we do it. And if you don't have this mortar pestle, we're just gonna do regular simple way, which is slice and put the whole thing in there. Let me show you how to cook now. First, we would like to roast garlic, peppercorn, and cilantro stem first to get more flavor out. I heat up the pan. I didn't put anything in there. I'm just gonna throw this one in first. Peppercorn, when you roast it like this, it will bring out more smell. I have high heat right now. We're just gonna roast it in about 1 minute or less actually. You see that the ingredient now is turned to be a little bit brown and it smells very good right now. I'm going to put my cooking oil in there. Stir it for about 10 seconds. Okay, this is good. Now I will put all of my sauce in there, starting from black sweet sauce, regular soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, ginger, and mix it together. And now I will put prawns in there. Flip it a couple times. My heat is still high, and then I'm going to cover it. I cover it just about 1 minute only. See, the prawns is pretty good right now. I'm going to add cereal noodles. Mix it together well. And then now I'm going to cover it to make sure that my prawns and the cereal noodle is cooked. Okay, after another minute, I think our meal is cooked. Let's check together. Yes, this is good. It's supposed to be a little bit juicy because after all, the juice, the noodles will absorb all the water up. Now, I think it's cooked. I'm going to put celery, and see here, it's a little bit too dry. Whenever you cook noodles, if it's dry like this, it's too dry. It's supposed to have more. So I'm gonna put a little bit more of my chicken broth. The last one is green onion. Wow, this looks good. Smell very good. I smell ginger, garlic, and peppercorn. The last step is pepper. Let me tell you one more time. If you like pepper, put a lot of this. I myself love it, but if you're gonna serve kids, you may want to skip this one. I'm gonna put a lot. It gives you another notch of the taste. Okay, well done. See, there's no more sauce left. We're done with our prawns in the clay pot. You see the piece of ginger here. Our prawns is perfectly cooked. And this one is the garlic. I'm going to garnish this with celery, or you can do it with cilantro. Here you go. How does it look? The silver noodles. Look at this. I cut the vinaigrette a little bit so it's not too long. Our prawns is perfectly cooked and it smells so good. Let me try. This is very good. I wish you can try with me. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.